चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
I don't think opposition did not fight, did not contest, right? They did give a good fight. Whatever they
fought
could.
the wrong way. Where was their agenda? Their agenda is totally negative.
No,
entirely
whatever.
negative.
See, that from
So
your,
where is the fight?
No, they negative agenda, positive agenda taken together. The opposition did make an attempt with this coming together
Very
of the
bitter attempt,
indie
yes.
bloc.
Abhishek, at the peak of Modi wave, when BJP claimed Abki Bar 200 par, they were able to get just 77 in West Bengal. So I'm saying now that there is no wave, everybody accepts that this is a waveless
We will
election.
come
No,
to that
it's
wave
not.
question once the leads start coming in.
Bengal, still BJP was the
but-
biggest opposition party ever in its history.
But Mr. Kishore-
Remember, in Bengal, BJP was the biggest
But Mr.
opposition party in the
Kishore,
history
you
of
think the
Bengal.
opposition did make an attempt to come together to sort of create a semblance of a fight, to sort of do something to tackle the Modi juggernaut?
No, sir.
They've not.
They have not done. Enough homework has not been done, and they were relying on anti.
No, you're saying
anti-vote.
they might have failed, but did they try or they did not try out?
No trial. Where was a single meeting of Indie Alliance in the entire election phase? You tell me. Combined meeting. There was single meeting was not
Yeah,
there.
Mr. Bhaumik.
Public rally.
Bring up this point. You know, whenever in any election anywhere in the world, if a hegemonic party has to be unseated by a group of opposition parties, the crucial factor is IOU, Index of Opposition Unity. Look at the Janata Party. You know, that was the peak of opposition unity. Disparate elements from socialist to RSS, they were in Janata Party. So it was not a platform, it was a party.
So-
and it unseated Indira Gandhi.
So basically,
Here,
whatever
that is
coming
not
together
happening.
of Indie happened, Saurabh Bhai. It was not transactional. It was not ideological. And that is the reason why, as Saurabh mentioned, the other Saurabh on the panel, that of the 22 seats Aam Aadmi Party is contesting as part of the Indie bloc, 15 are against the Congress parties.
Exactly.
जब तक इस शरीर में सांस है, हम आपको न्याय दिलाने के लिए कतई पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। सदा आपका आशीर्वाद और आपका दुआ हमारा साथ रहना चाहिए। बस इसी का उम्मीद है हमको आपसे।
ఎంత మెజారిటీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు
Hyderabad Parliament.
I think today winning is more important. In spite of all the discrepancies, ఏవేవైతే జరిగాయో మే 13 తారీఖు అవి జరిగిన తర్వాత కూడా న్యాయం గెలవాలి అని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. న్యాయంగా గనక ఎలక్షన్స్ జరిగి ఉంటే మేము ఎంతతోనన్నా గెలిచే దమ్మున్న వాళ్ళం. కానీ అన్యాయంగా జరిగిన ఎలక్షన్స్ లో గెలవడం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. కాబట్టి హైదరాబాద్ లోక్సభ పార్లమెంటు ఈ అన్యాయం నుంచి బయటపడాలి, గెలవాలి. ఇది ఈ రోజు మా రిక్వైర్మెంట్.
నేతలైతే మాధవిలైతే ఇప్పుడే కనిపిస్తారు, ఎలక్షన్ తర్వాత కనిపించరు అంటున్నారు మేడం. వాళ్ళకి ఏం సమాధానం చెప్తారు?
3 రోజుల క్రితం కనిపించదు అన్న ఈ మాధవీలతనే గంగానగర్ యాకుత్పురాలో ఫ్లో అవుతున్న డ్రైనేజ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్లి అదంతా చూసి ఇక్కడ అన్యాయం జరుగుతుందని నేను చెప్పిన తర్వాత అక్కడ కార్పొరేటర్ వచ్చి అప్పుడు పంపు చేశాడు మురికి నీళ్లు బయటికి. సో ఎంఐఎం ప్రాబ్లం ఏం తెలుసా? గురిగింజ కింద నల్లంగా ఉంటుందంట. గురిగింజ దాని కింద ఉన్న నలుపు తెలుసుకోదు. అట్లా ఎంఐఎం కూడా కింద ఉన్న రంగులు